Today we're talking about factors and prime factorization. Write the factors of the following numbers. Well, we need to find the factors of the number 30. You can start with a T-chart and say the first factor of 30 would be 1. 1 times what is 30? 30. 2 times what is 30?
15.
15. 3 times what?
10.
Is 4 a factor?
No.
Is 5 a factor of 30?
Yes.
5 times what?
6.
Do you see how we found all the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. If we need to find the factors of 31, 1 times what is 31? 1 and 31. Is 2 a factor? 3 a factor? 4 a factor? Are there any other factors to 31? So we can say that 31 is a prime number. Was 31 in our list?
Yes.
Was it a circled number in the list we had of prime numbers? Yes, right here. So what type of number is 30? Composite. So a number that is composite is a whole number that is greater than 1 and has more than 2 whole number factors. Let's find the factors for 45. 1 and 45. Would 2 be a factor?
No.
What about 3?
Yes.
3 times what? 15. What about 4? 5?
Yes.
5 times what?
9.
9. Have we completed all the factors of 45? Yes. Is 45 prime or composite? Composite. Now the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Prime factorization is when you write a number as a product of prime numbers. So what does product mean? The answer to multiplication. Product is the answer to multiplication. And what's the prime number?
The number that can only be multiplied by 1 or 2.
It's a number whose factors are only 1 and itself, just like the ones we saw at the very beginning. Remember, all our circled numbers were a few of the prime numbers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So if we have to find the prime factorization of 32, we need to find the prime factorization of 32. I'm going to start thinking out loud. Okay, I want prime factorization. That means I want all prime numbers that when I multiply them, they equal 32. So in order to get to that, I'm thinking, what prime number times something else equals 32? So let's look at our prime numbers one more time. Oops, there. Our prime numbers start with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, and they go on. So let's think about 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, 5, and 7 for right now. So if I need the prime factorization of 32, the first prime number is 2. 2 times what is 32? Okay, 16. Is 2 a prime number? I'm going to circle it. 16. Is 16 prime? No, 16 is not prime. We need what prime number times something else equals 16. So I heard 2 times 8. 2 is prime. Is 8 prime? No. What prime number times something else equals 8? 2 times 4. So 2 is our prime number. 4 is not prime, so we have to think. What prime number times something else equals 4? 2 times 2. In this case, both numbers are prime. We have nothing else to branch out on, right? So that means that the prime factorization of 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What's another way to write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Yes. Which is the same thing as saying 2 to the 5th power. So this is the prime factorization of 32. Let's try another prime factorization. What is the prime factorization of 56? So I have to think. What prime number times something else equals 56? Yes, sir. 8 times 7. So here we go. Is 7 a prime number?
Yes.
Is 8 a prime number? No. So we need to branch out on 8. What prime number times something else equals 8? 2 times 4. Is 2 prime? Yes. Is 4 prime? So what prime number times something else? Well, 2 times 2, and they are both prime. This means that the prime factorization of 56 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. This means 2 to the 3rd power times 7. This is the prime factorization of 56.